Hi viewers, welcome back to Techie Gyan for another exciting video. Today I will show you how to create a dynamic chart in Excel 2013. Here I meant dynamic in the sense whatever changes you make in your dataset will be reflected in the graph. By default, any changes in the values will be automatically reflected in the graph, but any graphical changes you made highlighting a particular graph. I will make this also in a dynamic fashion. I will explain you more in detail. So, for example, here I have a set of data. In column A, I have weekdays, and in column B, I have a set of users who has logged into the system. So, the purpose of my graph is to highlight on which weekday we have the maximum users logged into the system with a particular color shade. So the first step is to create a basic column chart. For that, highlight your dataset, go to the Insert option, then in the Chart tab, select Insert Column Chart. Select the first one. Now make sure you have the data label option selected. From here, you can understand that on Friday we have the maximum users logged into the system. So I highlight the bar Friday with a different color, say green. Even though this graph is dynamic, in fact, if I make some changes, say for week 9, we have maximum users falls on is 100 on Thursday. You can see the value changes as automatically reflected in the graph. You can say Thursday it has gone up to 100, but the color change is not happened. We can see still the green color is highlighted on Friday. So now I will show you how to make this happen. For that, first of all, you need to add an additional column. I name it maximum. I will use some functions to bring the maximum value in the data set, and for all other values it will return 0. To do this, you need to use two functions. One is if function and another one is the max function. So I will use the formula now, equal to if b5 equal to max for the entire data set. Press F4 to lock the columns, close the bracket, comma, then return b5 or otherwise 0, bracket close. Press enter. Now you can see, if you drag along the column, the maximum value in this dataset is 100. So automatically the 100 is reflected here, and all other values is returned with 0. Now we will incorporate this column into the graph. For that, double click on the graph, go to the option select data. Here click on the option add, put your series name with maximum and the values, highlight, just wait, highlight the complete value set, click, it's not, it's up to only 11, make it 11, click OK, and click OK. Now you can see another column has been come along with our maximum value bar, that is 100. So I will change back this color to blue. Okay. Now what I need to do is bring this column overlap above this blue bar. So for that, what I need to do is double click again on the bar, on the graph in fact, then go to the options, double click on the bar in fact, double click on the yellow bar, orange bar, then go to the options, series options. Here you can see series overlap. Now you can see minus 27%. That is why we have a gap in between those two bars. So make it 100. Now you can see blue graph is overlapped with the orange one. If you double click on, if you select that option, I'll show you one thing. You can see this small arrow button, right? If you click on this one, you can see the orange bar goes behind the blue ones, and if I click this one, it comes up. So we want it this way around, right? So we keep it this way. Click OK, and you can remove the data label for the other graph, the new for the other column which we have created. So select all, press delete. Now you can see what happens now. Say for week 10, maximum users logged into the system on Monday is the highest. I put it 100. Okay, I press enter. It's coming the same. So I'll put it 110. In fact, which bit higher than 100. You can see only the value is having the highest. It's getting highlighted. So for example, if I'll reduce this to 90, you can see it's getting highlighted. If I reduce this to 80, which is Friday side, we have two 90s. That's why both is getting highlighted. So I reduce this to 80. So you can see now this graph is completely dynamic. You can see with respect to the graphical changes as well as the value changes, the graph responds. Okay, hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.